Clean a boat gas tank. Owning a boat can be a joy as long as the boat functions properly. In order for your boat to run smoothly and last for years, you would need to do maintenance for all of the boat's parts. One of the parts of a boat that most people tend to ignore is the gas tank. Some people let the gas filters do their jobs in filtering their insides, but little do they know that boat gas tanks should be cleaned every 3 to 5 years. Even though you have filters installed for them, cleaning them would be the best way to keep your boat's engine running. Filters can get clogged at times, and this can pose as a problem for your boat's condition. Avoid engine trouble and clean out your boat's gas tank. Here is how to do it. The first thing you should do is to gather all the materials you will need for the cleaning. This will include a gas siphon fuel line, primer bulb fuel filter cartridge, Mercury wet or dry vac, and a fuel system treatment and stabilizer. You would need a flashlight to inspect the insides of the gas tank as well. Once you have all the things you need for this task, make sure that you are working in a well-ventilated area and away from any open flame or anything that can cause sparks. Remember that you are dealing with gas and it is sensitive to fire or sparks. There is no easy way for shortcuts in cleaning a boat's gas tank. Be sure you have stocked in your patience to fulfill the task. The next thing you should do would be to siphon out the gas that is still in the tank. You should use the fuel line and primer bulb to do this, and do it very carefully. Remember that gas has strong fumes that can cause bad conditions to your respiratory system. After siphoning all the remaining gas from the tank, put in at least 2 gallons of new gas with mercury mixed with it. Mercury can absorb excess water from the tank. While you let the mercury do its job, you should add the fuel system treatment and stabilizer in as well. After making sure that the dirt and excess water are absorbed in the treatment, drain the mixture out from the gas tank. Next, you should remove the filler cap and insert the wet or dry vac hose into it and let the suction remove the remaining mixture from the gas tank for about 5 minutes. Use your flashlight to examine the tank if it is already clean. If you still see any residue or sludge on its walls, repeat steps 1 and 2, but wait for at least 2 days before draining the mixture from the gas tank. This should remove the stubborn dirt on its walls. Once the gas tank is thoroughly clean, install the fuel filter cartridge replacement into the fuel line. Put the cartridge securely in place before you fill the gas tank up with gas once again. Remember to use the best cleaner product for the gas tank. If you are going to fill your gas tank again, Bear in mind not to stock into full if you are storing your boat for the winter. Storing gas in your tank can develop sludge in it, and it will be harder to clean it when the time comes.